Welcome back, traders. I'm glad you're here today. In this short video, I will show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on the British Pound Sterling USD with the market structure break and order block indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the market structure break and order block indicator trading strategy in the market. This trading indicator is an effective trading technique concept that a trader can apply to ride trends in order to have huge profit in the market if properly applied. I've taught you how the market structure break and order block indicator helps to detect trade opportunities in the market. Therefore, I won't spend much time explaining how the indicator's parameters function in this video. If you need to refresh your knowledge about how the market structure break and order block indicator work, you can check the link I left in the description of this video. In order to have a high winning rate with the market structure break and order block trading indicator, we need to apply it in a liquid and trending market. I will trade the 15 minutes time frame in the direction of the 1-hour trend wave movements. I will implement the 4 market structure break and order block trading strategies, which are 1. The zigzag line breakout in the direction of the 1-hour time frame movement to target a minimum of 1.5 risks to reward ratios. 2. The chart patterns breakout in the direction of the 1-hour time frame movement to target a minimum of 2 risks to reward ratios. 3. The MSB line breakout movement to target a minimum of 1.5 risks to reward ratios. 4. And the order block rejection level movement to target a minimum of 3 risks to reward ratios. With that being said and understood, it's time we proceed to execute my 100 trades based on the British Pound Sterling USD with the market structure break and order block indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. Here are my 100 times back-tested trading results in a roll based on this trading concept on the 15-minute time frame of the British Pound Sterling USD. I implemented 3 different risks to reward ratios, which are 1.5R for zigzag and MSB line break, 2R for chart patterns break, and 3R for order block rejection. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. Most wins in a row is 6. Most losses in a row is 4. Gain on the account is 30%. Here's a good trading record. As you can see, this trading indicator is suitable for swing traders. Make sure you demo trade this trading strategy before trading it on a live trading account. Remember, this trading strategy works best in a trending market. Therefore, avoid using it to trade in a ranging market. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.